Hello folks, welcome back to What's for Supper Wednesday. What we're going to be fixing today is some chicken po' boys. What we'll need is some chicken breasts. You'll need you some flour and whatever kind of seasoning. I use some kind of Wonderful. You can use whatever you want to. And I've found that this is the best way to season up anything, chicken, pork, anything you're frying. I'll show you how I do it in just a minute. It's pretty easy. And this is our Creole sauce. We made that last night to let it chill, and I'll show you right now how we made it. Alright, we're going to make our po' boy sauce overnight here. What we're going to need is 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of dill pickle relish, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of hot sauce, but what we're going to do, we're going to put in a half teaspoon. We don't really like the heat.
We're wimps.
And 2 teaspoons of capers. We don't have capers, so we're going to omit that from the recipe. And 1.5 teaspoons of paprika. Now, we didn't have paprika, so what we done, we used a little bit of Old Bay. And you need 1 teaspoon of Creole or Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and two garlic cloves minced. We didn't have any garlic cloves, so what we did was, for every clove of garlic, it is 1/2 teaspoon?
Yep.
1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. Alright, let's get everything mixed together. Alrighty. Take our mayonnaise here, put that in. Now we're going to make it overnight here, that way everything can get melded together. Alright. Now we got some of this homemade pickle relish. Dump that in. Now our tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay. Our 1/2 teaspoon of hot sauce.
See smoke rise up off of it.
Not yet. Our Old Bay. Let's see. Our Dijon mustard. There we go. Worcestershire sauce, and our garlic salt. Alright, let's get that mixed together here. Let me get my whisk here, upgrade it a little bit. Alrighty folks, we're going to let this sit overnight here, and we'll be right back to the chicken here in just a second. Alright, we're just going to put our chicken down in our milk mixture here. I was going to hammer them out a little bit, get them flatter, but they're already pretty flat as you can see. Just let it sit in there while the oil heats up over there. Alright, we'll bread them here in just a second. Alright, now we're just going to bread them. Going to put 1 piece of chicken in at a time here. This will get everything evenly coated. Make sure your lid's on tight. We don't want a catastrophe. Then just shake it. Alright. Looks like everything got evenly coated. Now we're going to put it in the oil. Can you see it, Mom?
Yep.
Okay, just going to put it in the oil here. Now you're going to let that cook for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to just go ahead and do 3 minutes. It is a bigger piece of chicken. Alright, we cooked it for another minute. It wasn't done in some of the places, but we checked it after 4 minutes altogether, and it come out to above 165. So we'll cook up all our chicken, and we'll get it put on the sub bun and get it all dressed up, and we'll be right back. Alrighty folks, here we got it plated up here. I made some onion rings with it. What all did you put on your sandwich, Dad?
I got pickles, tomato, onion, lettuce, your sauce, and salt and pepper.
Alright, try your bite, Dad. Is it good? Alrighty, folks.
It's good. I had a mouthful. I couldn't talk.
Alrighty, folks. I want to thank y'all for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Hit the like button. Comment. If you've had this before, let us know. And y'all have a blessed day. Thank you.
It would be really good with shrimp also. Daniel can't have shrimp.
Yeah. I'm allergic to
Shrimp po' boy would be real good.
Alrighty, folks. Thank y'all for watching. We'll be seeing you Friday. Thank you again for watching.